Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, are in the description below. They may not be clickable yet because YouTube are idiots. Whole thing going on. Don't really want to get into it. Suffice to say, I've been dealing with it for a while now. Hopefully it'll get fixed eventually. But if not, I guess I'll never have my links clickable. Anyway, today I am trying the new Pringles Smoky Bacon Chips. Now, Pringles usually knocks it out of the park with their chips, so I'm excited to see how these are. So let's crack them open and give them a try. I found both flavors. Where did I find these? I want to say I found them at Walmart? Question mark? Or maybe it was Hannaford's. Either way, they should be popping up almost everywhere. They've got these and another flavor I've got right here to try. So let's see how they are. Bacon smell doesn't smell overly great on these, but the taste is what's important. They're okay. But I've definitely had better bacon flavored things before. I'd give these about a 4 out of 10. Definitely not for me. I definitely have had way better bacon flavored things than that, but they're not terrible. I'll finish them. Hopefully the other flavor I got here that's new from them is good, but I hope everyone did enjoy that taste test. I will be back with another one soon. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.